and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently, during a trip to Europe, we flew out of Sydney International Airport. Sydney Airport is one of the major airports in Australia and can be accessed by car, train, rideshare, taxi, or shuttle bus. Upon arrival, you're greeted with large digital signs that make it easy to locate your check-in counter. Our airline for this journey was China Southern. After checking in and dropping off our bags, we proceeded to security. The process was really quick, and we were through to immigration before we entered the departure zone. The first thing when you encounter is duty-free. There is plenty of items available, including all the usuals such as makeup, electronics, fragrances, and high-end designer stores. After a browse, we headed towards our gate. It was easy to find as there was lots of signage throughout the airport. Sydney Airport provides a lot of the major amenities that you would need before your flight, including lounges, a pharmacy, showers, drinking stations, charging points, free Wi-Fi, and there are plenty of areas to relax. Now it's time for us to board our flight. We hope you enjoyed watching our experience through Sydney International Airport. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.